video. I run Dr. Roberts Medical Center here in Bellflower. We do everything from family medicine to opiate addiction therapy and recovery. We do hormone replacement therapy, weight loss, pretty much everything under the sun when it comes to medical, except for major surgeries. But outside that, that's what we're doing here.
And so you have 2 Squarespace websites. So this is for the research clinics or life sciences companies thinking of doing a redesign of their website. I do that too, pretty affordable compared to the other ones. But you can actually do this on your own with Squarespace. That's why I like it. So Gary's done, I did 2 of his websites. When was this? Like last year, right? It says December.
Yeah, actually, no, it was
around December.
It was right
like
close
November,
to the beginning
December.
of the year. Yeah.
So you've got you got our U.S. Research Group. You got Dr. Roberts Medical Center, which we're in right now.
Correct.
So either one, just pick one, and they both work the same.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to this one here.
Okay, Dr. Roberts, and then we're gonna talk about Facebook just a little bit because Gary's got some success stories about how he used Facebook boosted posts to bring patients to his clinic, like actually attract new patients.
Absolutely.
Right?
It's been.
Let's talk about that first. So,
Sure.
what did you do? First of all, what were you trying to accomplish?
Well, I was trying to accomplish getting our name out there so that we could, bring in a lot of patients in certain specific areas.
Mm-hmm.
And the area that I focused on first was the opiate addiction area. So
huge,
which is a huge deal right now, especially because of the way the new laws are changing.
Yep.
We've got the government getting involved with the opiate addiction problem. So a lot of doctors are they're not writing these prescriptions anymore, or they're fading them out. And so there's a lot of patients who are highly addicted to opiate painkillers and have no idea what to do. And one of the things, we have a license that is specifically for that. And so what we do is, I just started figuring out I need to get out there, let people know that we're here. And
because you're in charge of BizDev, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I do all the business development here. And I run the business. The doctor sees the patients. It's a nice trade-off. But what I found is most doctors offices aren't doing any kind of advertising. They're not even getting involved in it, it seems.
Yeah.
So I just basically...
And why do you think that is?
I don't know. I think that, I think maybe it's because doctors are more involved in patient care. And they really don't have... Most doctors' offices don't have an administrator that's more business development savvy. I come from an automotive background where our whole bread and butter is based on advertising. So in the
B2C.
medical field, right?
Yeah.
In the medical field, it's different. People come to the offices, and most doctors I find are waiting for patients to come to them.
Yeah.
Whereas I like to go out and find the patients.
Plus, doctors don't really like to sell. It's rare when you find one that likes.
Absolutely, it's very rare. And so I've kind of incorporated my personal sales background into this medical business.
Okay.
Where it's actually really helped us grow exponentially.
Good. So then you went on Facebook. First of all, who taught you about this?
So my daughter, she's 21.
Millennial.
Yeah, she's a millennial, and she definitely is internet savvy and e-commerce savvy, where I'm not so much. When it comes to the Facebooks and all these Twitters and all these different things that
Did she know about Squarespace?
She knew about Squarespace. She knew a lot about it.
She said it was good?
She liked it, yeah, absolutely.
Good.
She ranted and raved about it. But what she knew about was these boost posts on Facebook.
Yeah.
And then she's doing some other advertising on Twitter. And what I found very, very, very helpful was on the boost posting. Now, I didn't do it, she did it. But I told her what I wanted, and she went ahead and put it all together for me. For $10 a day.
Yeah.
It was very, very, very cheap.
$300 a month.
Yeah, so basically, for $300 a month, I was doing this for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. And the entire time I started to do this, I was getting in between 1 and 2 patients a day calling in here. We were closing them, when I said close, I mean we were bringing them in actually and developing a new patient.
What did you boost? A picture? A phone number? What did you boost?
Basically, it looks like a cover of a web page, the front page of a web page.
Okay.
It's a picture of the doctor. It's a picture of what we do.
So you used images. One image or you used multiple?
One big image.
Okay.
And it has our name on it, has a picture of Dr. Izagiri.
Okay.
It has all the different things that we do. And that
And
was
underneath,
basically
you had a link or you had a phone number?
a phone number.
No link.
No link.
'Cause
Oh,
you
I'm
don't
sorry.
wanna-
No, you mean a link to the webpage?
Yeah.
Yes, I
You
had
had
a
a
link to the webpage and a phone number.
But you weren't paying for link clicks, you were just paying for views? Or?
Views.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha.
And that was developing about 1 to 2 patients every day.
Fantastic.
And then I stopped doing it because we got so inundated here that we weren't used to that.
And now you
new
know
patient
what to
flow.
do when
Now
you need
whenever
more.
I want to bring more, I just click it on. And
You see,
brings them.
learn new skills. This stuff is all new. So Squarespace, this ties right into it. Now, if you combine content marketing like we're doing now with what you're doing, it's fantastic. So click on Pages. And then you see where there's a plus right there. So for you, this website, you have a main navigation, then you have a secondary. So the main navigation's on the top, the secondary is on the bottom. You can actually put the podcast on the bottom, and we won't save. We can delete everything we're about to do, or you can keep it. It doesn't matter. So you see secondary navigation. There's like a plus.
Yeah.
So hit that, and then you see that A that says blog.
Yes.
Okay, that is, you can create as many of those as you want. You can even put them so that they're not linked, so you're not confusing people on the website with all these links.
Gotcha.
But they still have feeds that go to the iTunes. They still have feeds that are active.
So we can actually set this up to go to iTunes.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. So let's do that. So let's click that blog. Okay. And now you can name it podcast.
All right.
Or you can name it anything. Let's say you have like 3 different kind of podcasts. One for opioids, one for women's health, and whatever else you guys do here, right?
Yeah. So we'll do a podcast for opioid.
Yeah, so hit enter.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, now you see that wheel next to it?
Yeah.
So up there?
Yeah.
Okay, hit that. So now, where it says syndication on the top,
Okay.
okay?
Click that.
Yeah. You can actually, podcasting setup,
Okay. So
where it says connect,
connect. Okay.
and then that's how you set it up through iTunes. It's going to go directly to iTunes. Then you go to iTunes Connect, and you'll put this RSS feed on there, and it's going to get the feed. So now every time you add a blog post to this blog, so cancel this, cancel that. Yeah, and you can discard, or just put cancel and discard, because you'll do it again. So go back where it says pages, go back. So on the podcast, click on the podcast. And now hit that plus. This is how you do a episode.
Okay.
And you see that little circle?
This one here?
Yeah, click that. Just go up a little bit. Click
Oh,
it.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, you see where it says audio?
Where are you seeing that at?
Right next to
There
the
we go.
bed.
Yeah.
So if you click that, when you have your audio file on your computer, you just upload it there. It will
Okay,
upload.
right here. Okay. got
Yeah,
it.
where it says add audio track.
Mm-hmm.
Upload, you title it, you title that, you hit save and publish. Now once this is connected to iTunes, Google Play, it's live on those things. And you can schedule them in advance. So if you do 5 at once, like in batch, you don't want all 5 going out at once. You
Right,
want to
right,
go out
dude.
every day.
Yeah, right,
Or one
okay.
a week or whatever the schedule you want to have.
Well, that'd be very helpful. So we can set all this up a week or even a month in advance.
Yeah.
Schedule it to come out on this.
And
date,
this is
that
just your
date.
podcast. You can do another blog on here for videos. You
Yeah,
can
that's
do
what
another
I'm really
blog
interested
for
in doing.
written blogs.
Gotcha.
Right?
Yeah, I really want to get into the video.
And now you have Fina who can do like a series of opioid.
Right.
And now here's where the magic happens. You do content on opioid video.
Okay.
You boost that video to your lookalike audience, the people who called, the people who clicked your previous links
Right.
on Facebook.
Yeah.
You can create a lookalike audience to them.
Now, when you're saying lookalike audience, what does that mean?
So Facebook knows who those people were that clicked,
Okay.
and they know who's very similar to those.
Oh, okay. So okay, gotcha.
So you're basically getting like clones,
Same.
practically clones of those people.
That would be fantastic.
That's how you take it really to the next level.
Oh, that would. If I knew how to do that the first time I was doing those boosts,
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So business.facebook.com is the way to go to do those things.
Okay.
And then you combine it. I'm actually going to do, next week I'm going to do an hour-long video with screenshots of how to do all this.
Well, that'd be really helpful.
But for now, I just wanted to teach you how to do the blogs.
I'll be asking again. I'm sure. I'm
Oh, yeah,
sure I'm
yeah.
gonna forget all this.
Because I got to show you how to do like the iTunes, but you need the RSS feed. So you need to create some like one audio file
Okay.
so that you can have an episode. So I can show you how to put it live on iTunes and on Google Play and on Stitcher.
Yeah, this is great.
And that camera system's amazing there.
Catches your attention.
Yeah. So that's it for marketing. Like Squarespace is really good, and it's very easy to mess around with and design. But if you need help, I help clients do this all the time. Content marketing. That's it.
Dan has been absolutely fantastic in doing with this and helping us. So
Yeah, there's so much you can do with this, and it's unlimited. I mean, you can store as many MP3s, videos as you want.
that's great. You know, I can attach all this into the webpage constantly.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah. So thank you, Gary,
Thanks, Dan.
and
Appreciate
thank you
it.
everyone. Thank you everyone for watching. Dan from theclinicaltrailsguru.com. Take care.